Want to get paid to use AI? These 5 websites are helping people earn passive income, freelance gigs, and even full-time revenue. Website 1, Prompt Base. First up, Prompt Base. You can sell custom ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DALL-E prompts here, and some top sellers are making thousands a month. Website 2, Upwork. Next is Upwork. Businesses are hiring freelancers for AI tasks like prompt engineering, content creation, and AI consulting. Website 3, Fiverr. Fiverr is another great platform to sell AI services. Think voiceovers with 11 Labs, video scripts with ChatGPT, or logos with AI art tools. Website 4, Koala.sh. Koala.sh lets you create full SEO-optimized blog posts with AI in minutes. You can sell these blogs to business owners, or even start your own blog for passive ad income. Website 5, Amazon KDP. And of course, Amazon KDP. You can create short books or guides using AI and sell them globally. Amazon handles all printing, shipping, and payments. Want deeper tutorials on each of these? Drop a comment with the site you're most interested in, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI business ideas.